Hello, hello, TikTokers. Good afternoon or good morning. I don't know wherever you are, what time you see it. At this stage, we're gonna do an XR screen. At the moment, we unscrew the bottom screw, like a little bit of technique here for do that. As soon as we done this, just 1 second, we're gonna coming back to you. Tom, 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 and there we go. We open the device because the screw was stuck. For this, I move it a little bit from the frame. From the images, now we open with opening tools. As always, you go all around the edge after you use your hand a little bit. These present 3 plate, all different between the other models. As a first plate, you remove it always the battery, after the display plate and the top plate where is connected to Face ID. As soon as you did that, we remove the plate slowly, 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 slowly. After we remove the plate, we're gonna do the magic. You see, slowly, slowly, because I had a few customers during the repair. Obviously, guys, I did while I was working for this. We are not the most precise, but we do the job in the right way. We remove the excess glue that it was left over from the previous screen. As soon as you remove it all that, we're gonna stick the new glue. As soon as we stick the new glue, the screen is ready to be repaired. That is the easiest part on the end for us, if you have experience. You see, a little bit I'm trying to figure out where the glue goes. As soon as I figure out, you see, I match it, finally. Doom, you pass with this plastic on the top, like that's a stick. After I decided to replace the Face ID first. As soon as I have the screen open, I will do we remove it from the plastic from the glue, because if you're not gonna get all dusty, and after that doesn't stick anymore and the purpose is lost. As soon as I did that, you see it, I apply the Face ID, boom boom boom, I rescrew everything very 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 fast, as always. As you can see it, boom boom boom, boom boom boom. And when it's done that, we're gonna go to the next step. It's time to remove it, our beautiful plastic from the top, and leave it only the glue underneath. That is a special glue, is silicone from the Apple, and that's it. You see it. After you plug the battery, okay. As soon as that, done. We start, we test a little bit, and after that the repair it is almost done. You put the plate back, as you can see, slowly, 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 always slowly. And after that, you see it, the job gonna be completely done and ready to be back to the original owners. As you can see, as always, Apple logo. We close the bottom, the glue has been settled. After we put in the warming machine, but pretty much the job is done. Thank you for watching. Leave us a